Oh, you can hear that. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beatties Crypto. I am David. It is Thursday, April 18th, 6:03 a.m. Extremely late. Why? Didn't want to get up. I woke up at 5 o'clock, and a whole hour ago, didn't want to get up. Sorry. I was tired. I can't help it. What do we got going on here? Oh, this is the wrong thing. Hold on. Whoop. Oh, there we go. All right. What we got left? It's coming. One day. Why is it cut off like that? Ugh. Well, I gotta get rid of that now. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Blackie Chan. Good morning, Anthony Soprano. Thank you for being here. Tony Soprano. Anthony. Didn't it used to be Anthony Soprano? I don't know. Excuse me. Thank you guys for being here. Good morning. We are just getting into, we're just going to do a quick stream, of course, since I am late. Are we going to go short? Probably not. I don't know. I do like the way that this is looking right now. However, we are above the New York Open, which is kind of scary that we're we're pushing the New York Open right now during the London session. If we come up here and just take out the Asia high, I don't know, but we did come down. We took out the low during London, in the London kill zone, so maybe we can just keep on pushing up. We may have bottomed. I'm not sure, but I mean, this thing is rocking right now. So yeah, one day, 19 hours, 56 minutes. All right, let's see. What time is this? Oh, it's got pushed back. It's got pushed back to 420 now. It's back to 420. Fit the memes. Play with the memes. I gotta see what time this is. 2:02 a.m. Friday for me. So I would be waking up right after the halving, or a few hours after the halving. So we're probably not gonna come during the live, which is fine because it's not like something crazy happens when it halves. Usually it takes a little bit of time. Shorts get wrecked. Friday around 6 for us central timers. Yeah. 6? It just said 2. 2 a.m. I don't know. Do we have a W bottom in here? Maybe. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitstamp the primary chart. Let's get rid of this and this so we can see it. Oh. Ooh, there we go. Beautiful. Get rid of market cipher. All right. Now, my only issue is, of course, we haven't taken out this low yet. Doesn't mean we have to. It just means that I don't like it. It's a low that is still there that we haven't taken out yet, and I don't know. But we don't have to. We could get this could be what we get. Or we could get some kind of double bounce and get out. But who knows? Everybody and their mom can go out there and go long if they want to, but I'm still going to play cautious until I know for sure that we have reversed anyway. I got my Bitcoin core up and running. I'll keep up with it Friday. What is the Bitcoin core? I don't know what that is. Is that like a mining rig? You trying to catch one of those 6 Bitcoins every block? It's going to be cut down to 3 point something. What is it? 6.5 right now, so 3.25, something like that. Bitcoin, what are we doing? You're trying to do some moves. I do want to take a look at something real quick. Morning. Zoom out a little bit on this. Go to the daily. All right. How I can do that, and then I can do the. Well, let's do it. Hold on. Let's do a pattern. Bars pattern. It's a node. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm still waking up, man. Leave me alone. QQQ. NDQ. NDX. Yeah, look at that. We're going to take a bars pattern. This is the NASDAQ. Huh? Copy. Come to Bitcoin. Paste. Whoop. Yeah. Guys, if anybody ever tells you Bitcoin isn't tied to the stock market, tell them to shut their filthy mouths. It is so obvious. Good morning, Merp. Good morning. If anybody tells you the Bitcoin is not tied to the stock market, tell them to shut up. 4-year cycles are not a thing. We're tied to the stock market. Shut up. It's just a coincidence how the cycles have played out. But no, seriously. Look. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Roll over. Like, and these are happening at the same times. Like, this isn't, I don't have the 1-to-1 on here because of, it didn't transfer very well. But, I could do, let's see. NASDAQ. NDX. Whoops. I didn't mean to click that like that. Hold on. Dang it. Compare. Hit your compare button. New price scale. There we go. There we go. Now you can see. Look, the NASDAQ and Bitcoin bottomed at the exact same time, guys. The exact same time. They've been ramping up and rampaging at the exact same time. They're rolling over at the exact same time. Don't tell me that Bitcoin's not tied to the stock market. It's just not true. It's not true. Stop lying to me and yourself. Bitcoin on a daily got the bounce off of the Fibonacci EMA. I still don't know how that thing works. But it got a bounce. We needed that bounce. Let's go ahead and pull a fib. We're going to go from the start of this range right here. Well, no, we're going to go from the start of the impulse to the top. What did we get down to? 0.382. Now bounce off of 0.382, especially on a macro level, it would be pretty, what do you call it? Would be pretty significant, would be a good bounce. There's a correlation on price action for sure, but Bitcoin likes to do its own thing a lot. I disagree. Bitcoin's not doing its own thing, man. It was right in front of you. That's the thing, man. Like, you could put it right in front of people and they still deny it. Like, it's it's like almost every single up and down is the exact same. Bitcoin's more volatile. There's more, the percentage moves are bigger. But that's only because of the size of the Bitcoin market compared to the NASDAQ. But it was right there. It was right there. How is it doing its own thing when it's following along, like, just like it? I'm gonna bring it back up. I mean, I don't. Bottom at the exact same time. Top, exact same time. Bottom, exact same time. Top, pretty much right around the same time. A bottom. Now this started going, the NASDAQ started doing its own thing for a little while as Bitcoin chopped sideways. And then it got a little push up on this little final push up on the NASDAQ. And they both topped at the exact same time. Come down over here. This spring, this impulsive move started at the exact same time. At the exact same time as the NASDAQ. I don't know what you mean when you say Bitcoin likes to do its own thing. I don't know what you mean. Are we not looking at the same thing? Like, ever since this peak, well, even this peak, and this peak, and this bottom, very close on this bottom, this top, people, this top out NASDAQ, top out Bitcoin. Look at the giant separation from stocks moving sideways. What? Peaks and bottoms, bro. They're all the same. Peaks and bottoms. Peak, bottom. Maybe not this one. This one did go a little bit longer. This one was different. Right? Bottom. Peak. It's too close. It's too close. Peak, peak. Bottom, bottom. I don't know. I don't know. People want to say it's separate, but I agree. They peak and bottom at the same time way too often for me to think that they are not very tightly correlated. Good morning, Wave Gang. Hola, French tosta. So, simple agree to disagree. Bitcoin is way more tied to the stock market, especially now. Especially now. Now it's more tied to the stock market than it ever has been because of the ETFs. And now we've got ETFs in both the US and China. I think we already had ETFs other places. Does Canada have an ETF? Probably not. They're communists up there. Not really, but you know. They'd probably say that they're leaning that they're turning that way. Hey Lunar, hey Reaper, what's up? That's why I say correlations, but Bitcoin does its own thing at times. Well, everything does its own thing at a time, but they both peak and top at the same time, for the most part. They both are bullish at the same time for the most part, bearish at the same time for the most part. Like, it's just very tightly correlated. Yeah, it's gonna have its own thing, but yeah. What's the Dixie doing? Are we? Oh yeah. Oh no, it gapped down. I don't like gaps because that means the gap could be revisited. Let's just come up here and get it filled today, so we can roll back over. That would be nice. But being below 106 is what I like to see, and that is probably why Bitcoin has got its push going right now. Let's go down to the 15. Take a look. See. Yep. So we've been rolling over. We've taken out this low. It's almost what I've been wanting to see on Bitcoin. Whoop. What happened right there? Gosh. There's so much. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah. We just want to watch this. We just want to see this roll over. Maybe we can create a nice head and shoulders. Very nice. How much? That would be nice. A nice head and shoulders. And then break down. That's what we want to see. We want to see the Dixie break down so that our assets can go up to the upside because they're inverse correlated for the most part. Inverse correlated. Sometimes Bitcoin does its own thing, but for the most part, it's inversely correlated. Sometimes they go at the same time. Bitcoin's moving right now. Ooh. Ooh. Momentum is definitely behind it. Bitcoin's moving. Let's see. Let's go from top to bottom here. All right, we're at the golden pocket. Major retracement level. Broken out of this value area. Move. Whoa. Hold up. Hey, lock your fibs, fool. Let's take this. Hold down, move here. Moving up. We got a point of control right here at 62,944, 62,950, somewhere in there. We're currently hitting this first little peak right here. We're in the middle a little bit. We've gotten to the middle of it. Oh, yep, there it goes. So let's watch this POC right here. See if it can get through that. If it can get through that, it might be on its way. Let's see. All right. Oh, this is the big move. This is the big one right here. So yeah, get through this level here. 63K. Let's just say 63K. Get through 63K. We got another big volume area over here. What's that peak on that? 63.9. So another at 64K. So basically every $1,000, it's a God candle morning. Maybe. Let's look at our what I'm here for the giveaway. What did I win? You ain't won nothing because you didn't give me no prediction. Dutch. Good morning, Dutch. How are you, bro? All set. Good morning. Good morning. Do, 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 do. What am I doing? Being crazy is what I'm doing. I need super charts. If we get through my having prediction doesn't seem so ridiculous. If we get through there, yeah. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's go look at that real quick. It is rocking. Do I need to hop in a short? Do I need to FOMO long right now? The answer is always no. All right. Where you at, Chan? 71,222. You think that's going to happen by tomorrow? By less than 24 hours? Oh, wait. Was it 2 p.m.? That's right, Reaper. Dutch, you need to send me 1 BTC and I'll give you 2 BTC in return. How about that? Bummer / USDT. What? No FOMO. Never FOMO. Never FOMO. Unless it's obvious, right? It's obvious that it's just going to keep rocking, right? Here's my prediction. Looks like I might get wrecked. If this keeps going the way that it's going, at the rate that it's going, one of these three might be the correct one. Who knows? Let's go back over to the coin glass. Already sent it, still waiting. Yeah, I'll get it back to you, Dutch. Mark Dutch is a celebrating here in the Netherlands. Oh, is a celebrity here in the Netherlands? Oh, is that right? Does he have the best clog shoes in the game? Best wooden shoes? Best clogs? Open interest is still low while this is pushing, so I do like that. Definitely like that. What is all this? Accumulatives. This isn't even stuff that I usually have on here. What are you doing? It might not be coin glass indicators. Let's get an Ichimoku. Let's get what do we have? What time is it? 6:25. I literally have to stop in 5 minutes, which kind of sucks, but aggregated coin open interest delta. That's interesting. Negative on our open interest delta. Our funding rate is in the green. We're pushing below the Ichimoku cloud. Get above that. That would be nice. Very nice. How much? It is pushing, man. It is pushing. Bitcoin bouncing. Now this is the sign of a reversal. Do we have... Let's go to the 4-hour. So this didn't really play out, did it? We got a nice little bounce off of the sniper level here. Now we're coming up to my level. Whew. He Mafia gang plus Tino gang plus Otter gang. Region leader for Europe. All right. Best Woody. Wooden shoe gang leader. Oh, man. Y'all are wild. Is Reaper actually Dutch? Just talking about himself because he's an egotistical maniac? Egomaniac? I don't know, man. Technically, I did get my 5th wave that I was looking for. Technically, I did get my 5th wave. Come up here and take out this high at 64. What was the high here? 64. Move over. 64.6. If we can get a close above that on the 4-hour, we continue higher. Look out. This thing might just be done. It might have bottomed out. I got rid of Andy Bitcoin census though. Crypto Wars plus Cohen's Trading plus Trader Geo. Oh yeah, he's everywhere, man. Dutch has no life. Just kidding. He's everywhere. He's got no ribs, so he can do things to himself. I gotta send it to work. Yeah, I gotta get out of here too. I got a couple minutes left. It was fun just coming on and just chatting for 30 minutes or so. Yeah, Bitcoin's moving. We are definitely getting some push in here. Finally, shorts getting liquidated. Probably lots of shorts getting liquidated. Yep, no ribs, just wrenches. Yeah, that's true. Lots of wrenches. Except for here. Let's see. Mr. Dutch. We're going to do this before we head out. If it'll let me. If it's not too bogged down, view your channel. Go to the live. Press pause. Go to the chat. Inception. Whoa. Is it gonna? Thank you, Jesus. Nah. Can manage blocked words and change chat modes in live, and also has capability of standard moderators. Yay, you're a mod now. Enjoy it. Touch of Dave Digital are the crypto wrench collectors. Yes, they are. Woo! This thing is moving, buddy. I gotta get moving. It is 6:31. I gotta leave for work in 9 minutes. It's a good thing all I do is gotta change. All right, guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you all for being here. If you wouldn't mind smashing that like up on your way out. Yep. Congratulations, Dutch. You got your wrench. I love you, my guy. Yeah, you're gonna have a. Hey, a fun fact. It's funny that Tony Soprano said that because my very first wrench was Dave Digital. So yeah, now I just need AG Alexandra G unit. I just need her to be here for one of my early ass live streams, and then she's gonna get one automatically. Like as soon as she says something in the chat in the morning, I'm giving her a wrench. But she's got to be here. But that's the only way. But anyway, that's what it's all about, right? I love you guys. I'll see you guys in all the chats, of course. Have a radical day and be safe riding the waves. Peace out.